They say the shell of the coconut is stubborn, but inside it hides the water that cools the heart. But what happens when the shell won't break? Not with prayer, not with pressure, not even with power. That's exactly what happened in one small village during the harvest season. Every year the elders would gather, break coconuts, and bless the land with the water. But these coconuts, this one refused to crack. They hit it with stone. They poured oil. They even fasted for 3 days. But the shell held firm. It costs, they said, throw it away. But then the last person anyone would expect stepped forward. Temilola, a girl they barely noticed, always standing at the back, always stammering, always overlooked. She didn't shout. She didn't comment. She just held it in her 2 hands, like I'm holding this one now, and whispered, I know what it feels like to be hard to open. Then she tapped it gently, and it cracked. Inside, not just water, 3 tiny pearls, a sign of blessing. The same coconuts they almost gave up on became the most sacred one of all. So if life has been so hard, if your health, your progress, your spirit feels stuck, don't give up. You are not broken. Sometimes all it takes to break through is not strength, but understanding. You are waiting for the right touch. Because just like this coconut, today, you shall be breaking it. And inside are health secrets, powerful ones, hiding in this small bowl you often walk past in the markets. See you again in the next video. Let's break this. Bye. No matter how hard the coconut is, the truth is always in the water. Stay tuned, fruit lovers. Let's break this coconut together and discover the wonders hidden within it. Follow Fruit of the Day with Kobe for real stories, real health, and real fruit power. 1 fruit a day keeps me healthy.